Hi, this is Alexis, and this is my preferred way to put a YouTube video into a Canvas course. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to enable the YouTube app. So I would go into here, I would add application. Just going to add YouTube. So what changes with that is then when you go into a page, find my pages, I'm going to open a page, make a new page and say sample. This allows you to better embed YouTube videos. Instead of them opening what used to be kind of like a small box, it will open full size as a player. So to do that, the tool for that has moved. It used to be a little blue arrow, but now it is this plugin. So I'm going to view all, and when I go all the way down to the bottom, I have YouTube, and I want to use YouTube. Here, if you have a video that is like native to YouTube, it's not yours, you can actually just search. So I can search for cat videos, and it will suggest videos to me. If you have a specific video that you know about, you can do it that way, and that's easier. I want to embed a video that I have made, so I go to the video link. So I will take my video. This is an unlisted video. So if we go back and see, because it's my own video, YouTube can't find it. It's not listed. So that calls for us to do something slightly different. And it can seem a little scary, but I'm going to lead you through how to do it. So in this case, because YouTube doesn't have access to the video in its search feature, I want to cancel this. I don't want to add a video. So instead, what I need to do is I need to get the embed code for the video, and we will add it that way. So I'm going to go to the video itself. I'm going to view it on YouTube.
Well, hey guys, welcome to part 4.
Okay, and I'm going to get the share here, and instead of just copying the short code, I'm going to copy the embed code. This does allow you, if you don't want a whole video, it doesn't give you a way to stop the video, but it does give you a place to start it at a different spot. So I'm going to copy, and then I will go into my shell. I'm going to click here on the bottom where it looks like raw HTML editor. I'm going to paste it in here and then unclick. Okay, and you'll see the video opens nice and big. Now that you have it in here, you can cut and paste it to a different place without editing the raw HTML anymore. So if I wanted to, for example, move it above, let me save first. Save. I'm going to edit. I'm going to cut the video. I'm having trouble getting attached to it. So I'm going to cut it, and then I can do Control V and paste it into a different spot, and I don't have to do any of the editing anymore. Hopefully that makes the process a little bit more clear. I know that it has changed a little bit with the new editor, but it's really the location of things that have changed, not the different ways to put things in. I will check, can I just put in just the video's regular code, copy. This used to be our alternate way to put it in. So it still goes in just as a link before, and just like before, it opens with a very tiny box that will open when you click on it, but it's not as wide and as easy to see. I do have my resolution very small on this computer, so normally it's a pretty good size for students to interact with when you embed with the embed code.